Hi children, welcome to Narayana live classes. Today recap assignment. Topic 3rd chapter multiplication and division exercise 3.11 and 3.12. First find the dividend if first one A, divisor is 4, quotient is 6313, remainder is 0. We have find here A and B problem dividend. So dividend, having checking the formula of dividend is that dividend is equal divisor into quotient plus remainder. So we will write here dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Is equal, here the divisor 4 and quotient and remainder. So divisor 4 into quotient 6313 plus 0. So we have multiply with, here multiply with 4. So 6313 into 4. See that 4 3s 12. 4 1s 4 plus 1 5. 4 3s 12. 4 6 24 25. So here 5 2 plus 0. So we are adding 0, number itself will become 25,252. Next B1, it is also divisor, quotient and remainder, same as it is. Dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. So here divisor 7 into 12,836 plus 6. You should multiply here also 12,836 and 7. 7 6 42, 7 3 is 21, 21 4 25, 7 8 50, 6 58, 5 here, 8 here, 7 2s 14 plus 5 19, 1 here, 7 1 7 plus 1 8 is equal 89,852 plus 6 is equal 89,858. Next, second one, divide the following and then verify your answer. First we have do the division, after that is correct, no, we will just check for the division. How to will check? Dividend is equal divisor into quotient plus remainder, same as it is. A and B will be complete that. First you do that, it is a division like that. 1812 divided by 15 here, 15 ones 15, 3 1, here that 1, 15 twos 30, 1, here that 2, will write 0 here, that we continue for that, writing here what, so verify now, check. Dividend is equal divisor into quotient plus remainder. Here divisor what? 15 into 120 plus 12. So here that 15 and 120 should multiply 1800 plus 12 is equal 1812. So it is the dividend. That's so given problem is correct. Now we have to do the B1 also same with here what that 1127 divide with 20 2500 12 and bring down 7 here that 12 6 120 here that we have 7 is that it is remainder, it is the quotient, it is the divisor. So check that, check you what same dividend is equal divisor into quotient plus remainder. What the 20 into 56 plus what 7 here that to this we have two table, we multiply that 1120 plus 7 is equal 1127. It is the dividend. What will become dividend? So the given option is verify the answer. So here what the answer we have writing that quotient and divisor, that is a remainder. Okay, thank you.